biggest gesture I would like to do.
What's your preparation for the event?
So we gathered different supporters from different groups and all in one place. Same time, we all tacked together, nag-prep kami, and of course with the help of my brands, thank you so much sa lahat na nag-send ng pwedeng i-donate natin at pwedeng maibigay na tulong. So maraming salamat.
What song would you dedicate?
If I were to choose, I would dedicate Rise from my album. I think this song is very inspirational and we're all gonna rise. I think it's a reminder for us to, if we listen to the song, we're gonna rise no matter what we're going through. We're all gonna rise and we're all gonna get through it together.
How's the feeling that you're part of this channel?
Super happy and grateful po ako nakasama po ako sa event na ito kasi hindi lang naman po ito yung first time ko na nakasama sa charity event. Meron din po kasi kaming ina-organize na charity event sa Donbell Group and super happy po ako and special po itong charity event na ito kasi ina-organize po ito ni Belle at ang team niya. We feel very blessed and grateful to be able to be a part of this kasi syempre not only do we get to extend help to the kids but we also get to be able to bond with them kahit na sabihing isang araw lang since this could have a big impact to them and syempre to us as well since this charity event is a big deal.
What are you looking forward to Belle's concert?
We are looking forward for her unique performances and also kung sino-sino yung mga guests and ano yung mga pasabog nila